Welcome back, everybody. Daddy Dutch Barbecue. Hey, a little something different today. Recently, we were at the local Hy-Vee store. We got some pork loin that we cut into chops. There's 4 here in the bag. They're about 3/4 to an inch thick. We are going to try this JL Craft marinade in a bag. My nephew got these for me. So it says quick and easy, up to 3 pounds of meat. Pretty straightforward. I'm interested to try out the garlic parm. I think it's going to be really good. Of course, I'm doing it wrong because they showed chicken on here, but we're not worried about them. We're going to do it our way, right? Right. All right, it says refrigerate and marinate for at least 30 minutes. We're going to give this more like a couple hours. It's slightly past noon here today. So basically, guys, we are going to follow the directions. I'm going to open this up. Going to insert the meat. We're going to put it back in the fridge. I'm going to bring you back when we are ready to go to the grill, or maybe when we pull it out, just to kind of gauge how the marinade looks and everything. I'll get you a couple quick shots in the meantime. But hey, everybody, it's a new year. It's 2022. Hopefully we'll all get this 2020 and 2021 crap behind us. I'm not going to say the word, but you guys never know what I'm talking about. In our community, we've all had a bunch of us that know people that have gotten sick from this. So, be on your toes out there, people. Stay safe. I'm not telling you what to do other than be safe, however you see necessary on that. So let's get these chopped in the bag. And I am going to give you a couple pictures of outside because it's a little different than how it was in my last video. If you saw how beautiful it was outside, now I'm going to show you white sand beaches. All right, if you remember last time, guys, this is the same spot from where I started the last video. See a little snow drift there. Got a little snow the last couple days. Only a couple inches, but the wind was so strong, it's trying to cover my wood pile over here. That goes in there. So we are going to have the Weber kettle out here later. I am going to be showing you the grill gun that I received from Grill Blazer. What a fun toy that is. Powerful, fun toy. So stick around, we'll show you that when we light the coals. We got our chops out of the fridge. It's been actually a little over 4 hours. About 2 hours ago we flipped them over. Let's get these out of here, take a look, see what they look like. And I'm going to try to show you, when I pull these out, just how thick that marinade is. So we are going to get these 4 out, put them on our tray here. Wow, that is super thick, you guys. And you get punched in the face with that garlic right away. And almost like Italian dressing. So, gonna let these sit for a minute. Gonna bring it outside and get them coals fired up. With the grill gun, have the Vortex in here with some B&B oak briquettes. You saw that in the last picture, so let's get these lit up. Oh, there went the lid. there we go. We got them started. So let's go ahead. We're gonna let those ash over and we'll top off the vortex. There we go. We got a good flame going. I'm gonna leave the lid off here for a moment. We're gonna go get those chops on. All right, chops are on, indirect. I have them around the outside. We're gonna get the lid on, let them go, oh, let's say 10 minutes. We're gonna come back, we're gonna flip them, and then we will start checking for doneness. Now we did already flip these, and you can see right here, we got a little char on the edge, but that's all right. Let's check this one out here. Climbing rapidly. These are done, kids. I'm gonna pull them in, let them set for a minute, and give you a taste test. Let's slice this up. What do you say, guys? Now, I did go a little over. That grill was running way hotter than I thought. But you can see plenty of juice on the board. See the steam coming off yet? See if I can get you in for a close-up there. It's a little washed out, but you can see some juice glistening off there. So this is more about the marinade. Let's give it a try. Very garlicky. I like the Parmesan in there. And then you get that Italian dressing flavor. It's good. It's very good. I have 4 more, excuse me, flavors of that to try, including a teriyaki, a mesquite, an original, and I can't remember what the last one was. But anyway, just a little product review. Like I said, it was a gift from my nephew, so I'm happy to try it out. I'll try to leave a link for that below also, if I can find it. So y'all take care, stay safe, and have an amazing what's left of your weekend. We'll see you next time.